today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design checkbox in Figma. We'll keep it simple and clear, so by the end, you'll have a clean checkbox you can drop into any design. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser or launching the desktop app. Once you're in, open your design file where you want the checkbox to live. It helps to zoom into the area you're working on so you can place things accurately and see details as you draw. Now let's prepare the checkbox square. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar, then click and drag on the canvas while holding Shift to create a perfect square. Pick a size that fits your UI. Something like 20 to 24 pixels is common, but use what suits your design. In the right sidebar, you can style it however you like. A solid fill if you want a checked box feel, or a visible stroke with no fill for an empty outline. Keep the corners sharp or add a small corner radius if your design language is rounded. The important part is having a neat, even square that will frame the check mark. Next, create the check icon. Select the pen tool. Click once to set the starting point near the lower left inside the square. Click again to form the middle point where the check pivots, then click a third time toward the upper right to finish the mark. Keep the angles gentle so it looks balanced. Press Enter or Escape to finish the path. With the check mark selected, change its color to black using the color control in the right sidebar. If you see stroke settings, use those. If you see fill, switch it so the line color is black. Make the check more visible by adjusting its thickness. In the stroke section, find weight and increase the number until the check reads clearly at your chosen size. You're aiming for a bold, legible line that doesn't overwhelm the square. Now position the check in the center of the square. Select both the square and the check mark, then use the alignment controls in the top bar to center them horizontally and vertically. If the check feels too big or small after centering, scale it proportionally from a corner handle until it fits comfortably within the square's bounds. And that's it. You've opened your design, prepared a clean square, drew a check with the pen tool, set its color to black, adjusted the stroke weight for clarity and centered it precisely. Save your work and you're ready to reuse this checkbox anywhere in your project.